My name is Araña, a BSIS 2A student in Davao del Norte State College, and I am here to conduct an interview regarding on data structure and algorithm.
Hi, my name is Rafael Dela Peña III, a student of BSIS in Davao del Norte State College. And today, we are going to interview some students about data structures and algorithms.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is from BSIS 3A from IT department, and right now I'm going to answer your questions regarding data structures. What is a data structure? For me, data structure is a serve as a starter pack guide to basic programming that offering a range of handling strategies and techniques. 2. In what areas do you think data structures are applied? Data structures is very important in almost every aspect where data is involved. In general, algorithms that involve efficient data structure are applied in the following areas: numerical analysis, operating systems, AI, compiler design, database management, and graphics, and also statistical analysis, and etc. Data structures and algorithms are used to test the analytical skills of the candidates, as they are a useful tool to pick out the underlying algorithms in real-world outcomes and solve them effectively. Data structures and algorithms are the fundamentals of software development. 3. What is algorithm? Can you give a simple example? Algorithm is a process or a set of rules to be followed in calculations or other problem-solving operation, especially by a computer. A real-life algorithms, one of the most obvious examples of an algorithm is a recipe. For example, the infinite list of instructions used to perform a task. For example, is if you were to follow algorithm, create a brownies from a box mix, would you follow the 3 to 5 step processes written on the back of the box? Example of algorithms or types of algorithms are simple inclusive algorithm, backtracking algorithms, and many more. Number 4. Do you apply the principles of data structures and algorithms in your daily work or schooling? For me, yes, because data structure and algorithm is applied in all these disciplines of software development. It's a building block of the software development processes. It is not limited to a single programming language, although programming languages evolve or get dormant over time. For example, I remembered for our data structures algorithm last year as a stack. Stack is a linear data structure, meaning elements are placed one after other. An element can be accessed only after accessing the previous elements. Example, we can visualize a stack like a pile of a plate placed in the top of each other. Each plate below the top plate cannot be directly accessed until the plates above are removed. Plates can be added and removed from the top only. Each plate is an element and the pile is the stack. In the programming terms, each plate is a variable and the pile is data structure. Number 5. How will you sort the files in your computer using data structures and algorithm? One of the simplest and most overlooked aspects of being organized is getting your computer files organized. Every time you have to dig around for a document, you cannot find or have to do unnecessary clicks to access a folder. You are not as productive as you could be. You are wasting precious time that you could use doing something that would help you move forward with your goals. Your time's once used. You cannot never take back, and if you don't do anything with your file organized methods. sacrificing your time searching for important files. You should be able to find a file in 5 seconds, not 5 minutes. I've been there too, and there were every times when I really couldn't find a file and when I wasn't looking for it anymore. And I found it.
Hello, I am Rafael Dela Peña from Dela State College, and I am going to conduct an interview about data structure and algorithm. So first, we will hear the introduction of our respondent. So good morning, sir. Give us an introduction about yourself.
Okay, my name is Jervin Sarmiento and I'm from San Guillermo, Isabela. I'm studying in Isabela State University main campus.
Okay, so thank you, Jervin. We will now proceed to the interview. So first question, do you have an idea what is a data structure?
Data structure is a data organization, management, and storage format that enable efficient access and modification more efficiently. A data structure is a collection of data value, the relationship among them, and the function or operation that can be applied to the data.
Okay, well, thank you. Thank you for that. So we will now proceed to the second question. So in your opinion, in what areas do you think data structures are applied?
We can apply data structure in compiler design, operating system, database management system, and statistical analysis package, numerical analysis, graphics, and so on and so forth.
Thank you very much for that answer. And next, we will proceed to the next question. So, what is an algorithm? And can you give a simple example? So, just a simple short example.
Okay, this is the simple example of algorithm recipe. It's a finite list of instructions used to perform a task. For example, to create brownies from a box, kailangan mong sundan o follow the 3 to 5 step process within the box para masunod mo yung instruction.
So, thank you for that wonderful answer, Jerwin. Next question. How do you apply the principles of data structure and algorithm in your daily work? Pwede pong sa school niyo po. Pwede po sa school. Like sa school works or sa computers.
And I can use it in my daily life when I come to say descending between alternative way of solving a problem or completing a task.
Okay, so thank you for that answer. Now we will proceed to the next question. So this is more of a personal question po. So how will you sort and find the files in your computer? For example, do you rely on the folders with names that is relative to your files or something like that?
I can find the files by using an element and sort at once as the size is very large, so the data is divided into chunk and the short using merge sort. Natin kung kabisado na natin ang ating computer, kumbaga yun ay pinakamadaling sagot.
James
Mark Baring, 19 years of age, from Isabella State University main campus, course of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, a specialized format for organizing, sorting, retrieving and storing data as a data structure. Although there are many simple and advanced types of structure, any data structure is designed to organize data to serve a particular purpose so that it can be accessed and worked with in suitable ways. For the purpose of working on it for different objectives, a data structure can be chosen or designed to store data to. For me, data structures is important in every aspect. Data structures applied in programs or softwares. 3. What is an algorithm? Algorithm is set of rules to be followed in calculations or other problem-solving operations. Example of algorithm is recipe 4. How do you apply the principles of data structure and algorithms in your daily work or schooling to perform a task in a variety of programming languages? We might use the term of synonymously, but there can be algorithms go hand in hand with data structures. How will you sort the files in your computer using data? Sorting refers to sorting information in a certain way. The sorting algorithm determines the way data can be ordered in a specific order, in numerical or lexicographical order.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Araña, and I am going to ask you some questions regarding on data structures and algorithm. Before we start, can you introduce yourself first, sir?
Good afternoon, this is Luis Andres Suelto, graduated at Davao del Norte State College under the course of Bachelor of Science of Information Technology.
What do you understand about data structure and algorithm, sir?
I understand that data structures in algorithm is best used for optimizing computer programs like sorting. I like sorting, so one of it is sorting. Second is to finding a data that is in a bulk condition, and many more.
Next question is, in your work before, how do you apply the data structure and algorithm that you have learned?
I apply the data structures and algorithm for sorting the inventory for non-perishable and perishable foods in 7-Eleven for checking purposes, and also checking the existing system in a binary searching algorithm, because sometimes those systems are pretty old and causes too many bugs, especially for the new product arrivals in 7-Eleven.
You have mentioned about binary searching. Now, can you tell me what is binary searching and how does it work, sir?
It is also same with merge sort, but in the conditional looping situation. Binary searching for me is a fast search algorithm that is completely using the runtime complexity. This search algorithm works only the principle of divide and conquer, but in order to work, the search must be in a concussive way, and also the array must be sorted before finding a specific number or any data that has been hiding in the array. It is also same with merge sort, but in the conditional looping situation, it's sort of kinda different.
In conclusion, data structure is an important way of how our data are stored in a place. An algorithm must be effective in giving instructions on how these data are manipulated. As what Sir Suelto have said, although their old softwares has a lot of bugs, data structure and algorithm is important in storing data such as listing of goods and products of 7-Eleven. Thus, a proper data structure and a smart algorithm enable us to easily track and arrange our data. That's all. Thank you.